In this video, we are going to be troubleshooting why your Stylus M-Pencil Generation 3 does not show the battery percentage. Now, whenever you magnetically connect the MatePad, then you will see that it says the percentage. If it does not show the percentage, there's a high chance that you might be on another user account. So let me go ahead and demonstrate. We're going to go to another user, and right now I'm signed in as admin, but if we go to a non-admin account, so now I'm in a second account, the weird thing is it won't pop up. The battery percentage will no longer be shown, as you can see. So the point is to show you that battery percentage only shows if it's on the admin account. So once again, we're going to go to the admin account now. And when we get to the admin account, you'll now see that your Stylus M-Pencil 3 will be showing its battery percentage. Let's give it a little bit of time so that it switches accounts. And as a side note, since we're waiting, if your pencil is not charging, make sure that, and your MatePad battery is low, make sure that you go ahead and start charging it. And then that might also troubleshoot the charging issue. I also made another video that could be a possible issue if your pencil is not charging. Ooh, now this is taking a little bit longer. Let me hold on. All right, now we switch back to the admin. I'm gonna go ahead and put on the M-Pencil. As you can see, is now showing the percentage. All right, guys, I hope this video helps. Please like or comment below.